Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. This is one of those rare Mondays where I upload a video the same day I've shot it. I don't do it very often because I'm usually way ahead. Okay, I'm still recording. It is September 21st, 2:44 p.m. Pacific time, for those of you who are curious. Currently right now we have burn ban stage 2 right now. So today is my day off. I didn't even bother trying to go to the woods because of the fire ban. But apparently it says right here you can use manufactured gas and charcoal units only. So I didn't know that. I heard it was no stoves and no fires. So if that's the case, maybe I can get out. We'll see. Currently, even though I just had it fixed, the truck is out of commission again. For those of you who are Facebook friends with me, you already know this because I posted the photographs. I lost a tire. The truck tire fell off. In fact, I've actually got the video right here. So teaser.
I don't know what happened, but somehow I lost a tire.
So yeah, the tire came off. So this video is edited and shot. I'm currently watching the Big Bang Theory, and I'm also editing video. So computer 1, computer 2. I've had this set up for a long time. So got a new graphics card, like I mentioned. I couldn't upload last week because of the graphics card, but now it's back up and everything is running and it's going well. So yeah, so truck tire is coming off. Tomorrow morning I'm planning on getting out. I already bought new, for those of you who are car guys, I got new shoes already for both sides. Just gonna replace them all. Plus I've got the kit here, which is all the springs. I basically have all the springs and pins and whatnot here. So I think, as I'm going to explain in another video coming up, I think when the tire hit the ground, it bent these pins here, which I'll show you in the video because I'm going to record some of it. So it bent the pins, and so I just got the kit to replace all the pins and springs. So hopefully there's not much more damage. So that'll be that tomorrow morning. Pretty much wake up like I've been doing, drink a protein shake. Something I've been trying, my buddy kind of turned me onto it. So I'm going to get out there, get that done. Maybe this week, maybe I'll get a couple MREs done. I can get the truck going again. I got the chicken burrito bowl and the chicken chunks, which I've not had before. So these will be 2 first timers. And then right now I have, let's see, I have 4 videos edited and ready. And then my YouTube channel, I think I only have 1 scheduled to go up. Make sure you can't see me typing in my password. So let's see, if I go up to my channel, oh, wrong one, the Creator Studio. How many do I have for videos? Okay, I have 1 coming up at midnight, and then, yeah. Then I'll have this one today, and then the midnight one tomorrow. So I have vids. So I do have vids coming for the rest of the week. Maybe next week I can get out, depending on what's going to happen. A couple things I want to do, which I talked about in upcoming videos. I think I fixed the problem with the screen, because there's been like an inch around, all the way around on some phones. I think I fixed it, I hope. Because on review I had it, where was it? Oh, I had it on standard screen at 4:3, not on widescreen 16:9, so I'm hoping that will fix it. Otherwise I don't know how else to repair it. So I have like 2 more vids I can edit and get up. Maybe 3, maybe. So I do have stuff coming up. This was from Labor Day, so that was what? Labor Day was the 7th, so that was 3 weeks ago, and I haven't uploaded the first video yet. So, because I've had other stuff ahead of it. You know, I did the tent, I did the MREs, I shot stuff at the park, and whatnot. So, you know, there's always content coming. You know, well, there's usually content coming. Which, when my computer went down because of the graphics card and the power supply, I already had stuff scheduled ahead of time. So I actually didn't lose anything. I had to upload one kind of late in the day, but you know, I really didn't, I was only like, what, 6 hours behind? So yeah, I guess I'll just make that quick. So I got a video coming up at midnight, and then I'm going to have more vids coming. Plus I've got stuff planned, so hopefully I can get back out in the woods as soon as I can. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Alright, see ya.